Hey there YouTube friends, today I'm going to show you how to hang a picture or a mirror on the wall and get it level. Okay, on the back of the mirror we have these hooks. I'm going to measure the distance between the hooks and it's exactly 41 inches. Alright, now I'm going to make a mark on the wall as about where I want the height to be. Okay, now I'm going to measure 41 out on the wall. It's not going to be level now, I just want to make a mark right at 41, just so I have an idea of where it is. Okay, now I have my Ryobi laser level. Going to make sure that the bubble is level and the laser is going over the dot. And now I'm just going to come over here to where I had that other dot. You can see I was a little bit low, but now I know exactly where it is. Now I can see where I have my mark. I'm not going to be on a stud. You can see a nail head over here in the paneling. And just to double check, I'll use my stud finder. And I'm about an inch away from the stud. So we're going to use a molly for that. We're just going to use a screw and a molly. Alright, now I'm going to drill a hole to receive the molly. I'm using a 3/16 inch bit. The mollies or wall anchors that you buy will tell you what size drill bit to use. Now I'm going to tap in the molly, a wall anchor. I'm going to go to my mark on the other side and do the same thing. Okay, now I'm going to drive the screw in. I'm going to leave it, I'm not going to screw it in all the way, I'll leave it about a 1/4 inch away. Should be good. Same thing over here. Okay, now is the tricky part. Just get one of the hooks on one corner, then you get the other hook on the other. And then you have a nice level mirror. Okay, so there is the mirror on the wall, nice and straight. And to double check, as we always do, I broke out my level and you can see the bubble is right in the middle where it needs to be. And that is the relatively simple process of hanging a mirror or picture on the wall and getting it level. If you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. There'll be more DIY videos to come. I'll catch you next time. See ya.